Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play 2v2 with your friends in Madden 27. You can do it through Ultimate Team and the setup is pretty simple. First, go to the main menu and open Ultimate Team. From here, go into the play menu and then select head to head. Now look for the squads option and select it. Inside squads, you'll see different options for how you want to play, including duo and trio. Since we are trying to play 2v2, choose the duo option. Once you have selected duo, you can invite your friends to join your squad. To invite them, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. You can invite your friends from your account, including crossplay friends, as long as they are available to join. Once your friend accepts the invitation and joins your squad, just wait for both players to be ready. After that, start the match and you'll be able to play 2v2 together against another duo. Keep in mind, if you want to play 3v3 instead, you can use the same menu but choose the trio option. So for 2v2 with friends, just go to Ultimate Team, open play, select head to head, go into squads, choose duo, invite your friend and you are ready to play. And that's how you can play 2v2 with your friends in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.